Today, I'll show you how to recover a deleted Microsoft to-do list. If you've accidentally deleted a list and can't find any kind of trash or recycle bin inside the To-Do app, don't worry. Microsoft To-Do actually stores your data inside your Outlook mailbox, which means there's a good chance you can bring that list back using Outlook on your computer or in a web browser. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step, and I'll explain what you're looking at along the way so you know exactly what to do. First, you'll need to open Outlook. You can use either the Outlook desktop app on your computer or Outlook on the web in your browser. Functionally, this process is almost the same in both places. If you normally use the desktop version, go ahead and open that. If you don't have it installed or prefer using a browser, just sign in to your Outlook account online. Once Outlook is open, take a look at the sidebar where your email folders are listed. This is usually on the left side of the screen. You'll see things like inbox, sent items, maybe archive, and so on. What you're looking for here is the folder called deleted items. This is essentially Outlook's trash can, and because Microsoft To Do is connected to Outlook, your deleted lists and tasks often end up here. Click on the deleted items folder to open it. Depending on how much email you receive and how often you clean things out, this folder might be pretty full. That's okay. What you want to focus on now is identifying items that aren't regular emails. Regular emails will show an envelope icon next to them. Your goal is to find entries that have a task icon instead. This usually looks like a small clipboard, a check mark, or a task-style symbol instead of an envelope. You can scroll through the deleted items list and keep an eye on those icons. If you remember the name of the to-do list or one of the tasks that were in it, you can also use the search box at the top of the folder to filter things down. Just type in a keyword or the list name and see if any items with the task icon appear in the results. This can save a lot of time if your deleted items folder is large. When you spot the task or list item that you want to restore, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the Move option. When you hover over Move, another menu or dialog will appear. Choose Other folder from that menu. This lets you decide exactly where you want to place the item. From the list of folders that appears, select the Tasks folder. Tasks is the underlying Outlook area that Microsoft To Do uses to store your to-do items and lists. By moving the deleted item back into the Tasks folder, you're effectively restoring it so that Microsoft To Do can see it again. Click OK or move to confirm. After a moment, that task or list item will be back where it belongs. You can now reopen Microsoft To Do, let it sync for a bit, and your recovered list should reappear along with any tasks that were part of it.